Good morning. This is Dr. V. Shivashankari, Associate Professor, ECE Department, SNS College of Technology. Now I am going to discuss the case study on IC failure analysis. In some skeptics, the value of failure analysis is not readily obvious. Spending time and resources on devices that by definition are non-functional and will not be released to your customer may seem wasteful. The true value in failure analysis, however, lies in its ability to identify characteristics that may lead to further failures, costing a company untold amounts in production fallout and damaging their reputation with their customers, resulting in major process weakness being identified in both the cases. Device A, here we are taking two devices for example. Device A is a high-speed switching device designed for use in communication devices that require an exceptionally high data rate. The device uses flip chip interconnect technology to bond the die to its substrate, which is made of ceramic for withstanding thermal stress. While eQuiet Microelectronics, the manufacturer of the device, received several customer complaints stating that the device was malfunctioning immediately after being installed in their products. WEC Micro sent a sample of these malfunctioning devices to an external lab for failure analysis after determining that electrical opens were the causes of the malfunctions. Now, the device B is a microcontroller designed by Real Genius Integrated Circuits to control a high power laser system. The device is packaged as a plastic encapsulated ball grid array. We used to say it is PBGA using traditional gold wire bond interconnect technology. RGA noted anomalous behavior in first run production testing of the device and requested failure analysis to determine the root cause of the problem. Initial inspection and non-destructive testing showed no obvious defects. However, electrical testing revealed electrical opens on several signal pins. Since the non-destructive testing had not indicated any problem with the packaging of the device, the analyst determined that the failure was most likely somewhere on the die. In both of these case studies, the failure mode electrical opens was identical. However, the actual cause of these failures was completely different, with one device failure due to a packaging defect on the other suffering from improper die processing. The value of IC failure analysis become more apparent when viewed in this light. Without a proper analysis, the root cause of failure for both of these devices would not have been found and the manufacturers would not have been able to improve their process and deliver a functional reliable product to market. So these are all the analyzed IC failure analysis which I come to see. Thank you friends.